Senior UDP leader and former Speaker of the Meghalaya Assembly Bindo Lanong is determined to contest the 2023 elections from Nongkrem constituency despite indications that he may not get the party ticket. He said to back out at this moment would be injustice to his people who has been working for him since the last 1 year, and he will not leave halfway. It may be mentioned that Lanong has been a member of the district council from Nongkrem constituency as well as legislator of the erstwhile Determeined constituency twice. He said that he has never switched parties in his political career and that the leadership of the UDP has not made any contact or discussed the matter with him.
Ngadang la bandu no kan khamha ba kadu kasit ngan rem kasit ban mengadu iba bandu tara jubab bandu ban ilai le ada jatran le to jimino ul chike MCP ngala job nga tampun I to don kumta tara jingi jung leader ba don sia ka jing tip jing start jadi ijingai dengan nambung dah, mentah apa kalau nak kumpul.